Want to make a full talking head video without filming, recording, or editing anything yourself? Let me show you how I did it using 2 free AI tools, Synthesia and HeyGen. You just type your script, pick a presenter, and in a few clicks, you've got a full video, voiceover included. Here's exactly how it works. First, I opened both tools in the browser. No downloads, no setup, just go to their sites. Synthesia has a Create Video button. HeyGen lets you start from a blank canvas. Now let's say you've written a short intro script. Just paste it in the editor. No camera, no mic, text only. Now it's time to pick an avatar. In Synthesia, the presenters look polished, very corporate, very controlled. Great for internal training, explainers, or onboarding videos. But in HeyGen, the avatars feel more natural. They blink, move slightly, and even gesture. It's subtle, but it makes a big difference for social content or brand storytelling. Next, let's listen to the voiceovers.
I can speak in English and hundreds more languages and accents.
أستطيع التحدث باللغة العربية ومئات اللغات واللهجات الأخرى.
Synthesia gives you over 140 language options. Voices are clear and professional, but sometimes a little flat. HeyGen's voices are more expressive.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Better pacing, more emotion, and they even let you clone your own voice or upload audio to match the lips exactly. Once it's previewed and you're happy with the result, you're ready to export, and here's where the free plan matters. Synthesia gives you 3 minutes of free video per month. HeyGen gives you 3 free videos per month, each up to 3 minutes, with no credit card, just a small watermark. That's it. Same script, 2 platforms, 2 very different vibes. If you're making training or business content, Synthesia is clean and reliable. If you want something more personal and expressive, HeyGen feels more alive. Try them both with the same script and see what works best for your style. This is AIChief. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tools that do the work for you.